Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to be sharing a video on our brand new Brow Sense Brow Cream product. This is amazing. It's a brand new release. You will get a tube of the brow cream and a little brush. So you can use the spoolie to kind of go through your brows and get them where you want them. I am wearing the color black brown. I can also wear the deep brown, but I have pretty dark brown hair, so I definitely think black brown is just preferable for me, but it kind of depends on, do you want a darker brow, do you want a lighter brow? I like this one. So this one you open like an applicator, and then you can just take the end of your brush and pick up some of this brow cream. It is a mousse-like texture. I like to start applying it towards the middle outer part because when you first start applying it, that is when it's going to deposit the most color. I also like using this brush like I am here. It's like a nice detail brush. You can also use the spoolie to apply the product. I tried that. I didn't like it because I didn't feel like I had enough control. I'm sure it also depends on what kind of brows you have. My brows, you can see, are, you know, they're not super full. You really, you know, I'm gonna wanna fill in some of my brows. So the nice thing about this product is it works really well for an ombre brow. So it's really easy to blend and do kind of that lighter part in the inner part of your brow, and then the darker towards the outer half. The other thing I really like about this product, it is totally buildable. I just added some more, as you can see. This has Capixyl in it. That is an ingredient that will actually help your brows grow. So, given our discussion we just had that my brow is a little bit more on the sparser side, I really like that this product has Capixyl, and that will actually just help your brows. So here is the final product. I am a huge fan of this brow cream. It definitely takes a little bit longer than, say, a brow pencil, but I can get a much nicer ombre effect with this brow cream than any other brow product I've used. So if you're wanting to like spend a little bit more time on your makeup, or you want really fierce brows, I think this is a great way to go. If you use other SeneGence products, it is a very different texture than Shadow Sense, which a lot of people also use Shadow Sense for their brows. This is a lot easier to blend in with your brows. It will fill in any kind of like gaps that you have really nicely. And like I said, it also helps your brows grow. It's a great product. I love it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the brow cream and what you think. And if you're interested in ordering the brow cream, there are seven different shades. I will put them in this video at the end. And you can order through the link below. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.